All right, here's how you play the matching game. You're going to open it up and it's going to show you a time limit. That's how much time you have and the number of tries that you have to do this in. Then you click Start and you're going to have a bunch of things. So basically just click on any of them. So I'm going to click on Limited Government. Then it gives me a category, characteristics of a free country. So I've got to figure out which more of these would be about a free country. So it would be voting, rights, United States, entrepreneurs, market economy. Good, so that's right. And then after that, I click on any of the other ones. And this will be characteristics of a country that is not free. And of course, that'll be these, no voting, North Korea, dictatorship. Once I got them done, then it's going to show me, because I was successful, it's going to show me these groups. These are the groups that you're going to make a screenshot of and then post into the, or paste onto the double match or triple match turn-in slide. That's what you're going to do. So real simple. The other games that you have to do are a little bit more complex than this, but that's basically how you play them. Good luck.